on the second burn of that second stage MVAC engine. All right, we can see on screen
Restart ignition.
and heard the call out there that that burn has commenced, and it's planned to last for about 45 seconds. So wrapping up at T plus 1 hour, 4 minutes, and around 17 seconds. Everything looking nominal so far for this second engine start too.
MVAC shutdown.
All right, and there we heard and saw on screen that that second engine second engine cutoff
Nominal transfer orbit
occurred, and there we just heard the news that we were waiting for, confirmation of good orbit. So at this point in time, the GPS 3.6 satellite is still attached to that second stage. Payload deployment is scheduled to occur around the T plus 1 hour and 29-minute mark. So one more coast phase for you, but we'll see you back here in 24 minutes. Stay tuned.